In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively analyze and trade using the Volatility 75 index on Derive's TradingView platform. This step-by-step guide is perfect for traders looking to refine their skills and make more informed trading decisions. So grab a cup of your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's dive into the exciting world of trading with confidence. To begin with, you need to access the TradingView platform through your Deriv account. Log in and ensure you're on the right track by selecting the Volatility 75 index chart. This is a popular index favored by many due to its significant price movements, offering ample opportunities for both short-term and longer-term trading strategies. Perfecting your analysis on this index could be the key to boosting your trading prowess. Next, let's choose the right time frame, which is crucial for aligning with your trading style. If you're a short-term trader who thrives on the thrill of fast market movements, you might opt for the 1-minute or 5-minute charts. These shorter time frames offer quicker feedback on your trades, but they can also require more attention and rapid decision-making skills. On the flip side, if you prefer a more laid-back style and enjoy the bigger picture, consider using the 1-hour or daily charts. These longer time frames are perfect for swing traders who like to analyze more extensive trends and are less concerned with the noise of minute-by-minute price action. With the time frame set, it's time to focus on drawing trend lines, which is a fundamental technical analysis technique. Trend lines help you visualize trends and potential reversal points, serving as a valuable tool in your trading arsenal. To draw a trend line, identify at least two major price points on the chart that connect either the highs or lows of a trend. Ensure that your trend line accurately reflects the overall direction of the market. A well-drawn trend line should touch as many relevant points as possible to reinforce its validity, acting as a support line in an uptrend or a resistance line in a downtrend. Not only do trend lines aid in identifying the current trend direction, but they can also signal potential breakout opportunities. Pay close attention when the price approaches a trend line, as breakouts can indicate a shift in market dynamics. Conversely, if the price consistently bounces off a trend line, it may suggest a continuation of the current trend, presenting potential entry or exit points for your trades. Remember, successful trading is not about predicting markets, but reacting efficiently to what charts reveal. By using these steps as a guide, you'll enhance your ability to navigate the Volatility 75 index and become a more equipped trader. So take your time refining these skills, and as always, practice makes perfect. Happy trading, and may your analysis lead you to prosperous trades.